Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to English Grammar Classroom, Standard 7, Lesson number 21, Direct and Indirect Speech. The whole explanation is over. Now we shall solve the exercise given in your textbook on page number 108. Open page number 108. We shall write the answer. In this, the first question is, see on your screen. Rekha said, "The dress is mine." Rekha said that the dress was hers. Change of tense. The dress is mine will become the dress is hers. Second sentence. The principal announced, "We are going for a picnic." The principal announced that we were going for a picnic. Write down the answer. The principal announced that we were going for a picnic. Question number 3. The two ladies said, "Renu, we have been waiting for a long time." The two ladies said that they had been waiting for a long time. Number 4. The circus manager will say who is the best performer. The circus manager will say who was the best performer. Here the tense will be changed because the dialogue of a circus manager will be said before. And that example we see that in future simple the tense will not change. That is for the present simple or the universal truth. He said he drove the car very fast. He said that he had driven the car very fast. Number 5. Now you see question number 6. Question number 6. He said he drove the car very fast. That is number 5. Number 6. She screams, "She is not the thief." She screams that she is not the thief. The answer, she screamed that she was not the thief. She screamed that she was not the thief. Number 7. The president says India has a lot of natural wealth. The president said that India had a lot of natural wealth. The present perfect changes into past perfect tense. Present perfect has changed into past perfect tense. Next question. See, take the screenshot here. You may also check your answers after watching my video. So take the screenshot and come to the next page now. See, here are the answer. Which number is going on? Number 7. The president says India has a lot of natural wealth. The president said that India had a lot of natural wealth. Number 8. The gambler said the police was looting their den. The gambler said that the police had been looting their den. Number 9. The mother said he will buy a present for me. She will चाहिए. The mother said that he would buy a present for her. Sentence, she would buy a present for me. Present for her. The scientist said there are 10 planets in the universe. The scientist said that there were 10 planets in the universe. The girl said she irons her clothes daily. The girl said that she ironed her clothes daily. He did, I shall never give up. He said, I shall never give up. He said that he would never give up. Take the screenshot. Next exercise. Change the following into indirect speech. Number 1. She said, it is raining heavily today. She said that it was raining heavily that day. The carpenter will say, these nails are of a smaller size. The carpenter will say that those nails were of a smaller size. Present continuous, past continuous, present simple, past simple. The teacher said, Rahul, you will be punished for your behavior. The teacher told Rahul that he would be punished for his behavior. The hunter says, the birds are chirping loudly. The hunter says that the birds are chirping loudly. Present simple, present simple. The reporting verb is in the present simple tense. So the reported speech will also be in present simple. The author said he wrote many articles. The author said that he had written many articles. The reporting verb is in past tense, so the tense of the sentence will change. The leader told the class they have been studying continuously. The leader told the class that they had been studying continuously. Shyam said, I want to become a painter. Shyam said that he wanted to become a painter. The taxi driver said the signal was green since a long time. The taxi driver said that the signal had been green since a long time. He said, we were traveling by bus last night. He said that they had been traveling by bus the night before. Number 10. The astrologer will say, you have to work hard now. The astrologer will say, you have to work hard now. The astrologer will say that you will have to work hard then. You have to. The astrologer will say. Number 11. The children said, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the Himalayas. The children said that Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the Himalayas. Number 12. One more question is there, that is number 12 in your book. See. I said I got married here yesterday. The answer is I said that I had got married there the day before. Past simple changes to past perfect. I said that I had got married here will become there, yesterday becomes the day before. So I have solved all the exercises given in your book. So this lesson is completed here. We shall start a new lesson. Inshallah, we shall learn tenses in our next video. I shall stop here. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz and goodbye.